Yes, that's a star you can see right there. And good morning, everybody. What a beautiful morning. 6:15 in the morning, and I'm going to work. Wish me luck. Do you have something to say? I agree. Welcome to another subscriber. Yay! I can barely walk, but I can clap. Yay! 88. 2 more. And we're going to do a stuffing. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's 10 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Just got home. And someone are not happy with me. It's okay. It will be okay. Now, let me just do that. I have just talked to someone on the way home, and they need me to babysit this weekend, or the coming weekend. Bless you. Bless you. And I am going down there tomorrow to say hello. And I am going in and getting that stuff. So it's going to take a little bit longer before I'm getting upstairs tomorrow, but I will get upstairs. For now, I'm just happy that I'm off work tomorrow. I can barely walk. I need an ice bath to put my feet into. Unfortunately, I don't have a bucket thingy to go do that with because, well, maybe I do. I don't know if my feet will fit into that one. We'll have to see. May have something so I can do a ice water thing because I need to cool off my feet. So I am gonna chill with a soda and watch one of Gordon Ramsay's episode, which will be a 40 minutes and 41 minutes episode. And in the meantime, I'm watching that. I will also figure out what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I really want to get upstairs, but I'm not sure if I can. Hi. Well, guys, had to change off my sock because I could still not feel my feet. Feels a little bit better now. So I've been trying to find all the things I need to burn before you guys kill me. That's the reason. I have a handful, probably a stack like this, of papers I need to burn because there is specific numbers on it that's not supposed to be delivered anywhere. And I don't have anywhere else to do with it. So I'm gonna burn it. But I don't have a fire starter of any type. So I guess that's on the back burner for tomorrow. So I am gonna go to the bathroom and the kitchen, see if I can find anything else that needs to get thrown up, and then slowly go through the house. Well, guys, remember I was talking about going to Skive tomorrow? Yeah, that's changed. I'm going there right now. Hoping that it is a Sunday. I won't have as much people in there, to be honest. Let's go! So as you can see, I got some fire stuff back there. It's kind of a liquid, like we have gas for the, or fuel for the car. That's for a heater inside a house. And I have 10 of those big ones, big boys. I really, really, really don't want gonna start playing with this one right now. Fire hazard. Let's just get home without exploding the car, shall we? Maybe that's gonna be the title of this video. A car full of explosives. Well, I guess that was that day. At least my car didn't explode in any kind of way. A car full of explosives. That's gonna be the title for today, I think. If I can get Google to help me write it. So I helped that lady out. I got some groceries for myself. I got a lighter, as you saw. And a couple other things. I do need to go and get some bananas. For some meat I got from work. But I can wait until tomorrow. That's not gonna be now. I want to go upstairs tomorrow. I got a box for the finished cars I can put it in. I need to burn off that box. I need to go down to that lady. And I would like to wash some laundry. Maybe do some more. But at least I want to chill for the rest of the evening. But now it's 6:45 in the evening. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button or bell for notifications and throw that like. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.